Yeah, Papa got it for you. Swing. Seesaw.
Who made it?
I don't know.
Papa made this?
Yeah, he put it back together.
Hooray for me?
Yeah.
You're showing up. Hooray! You have to tell Papa thank you.
Yeah, that's sweet.
We had so much fun, Grandma.
I'm glad.
We have to take a nap
Yeah, sometime.
right now.
No,
We just stay up,
just for a little while.
and it's going to be time to take a nap.
After lunch. Okay?
Wee.
Do you like that? You're such a big, strong boy. You can tell Mommy you learned to seesaw.
We can tell after. Hey, we can tell after we take a bath before we take a nap.
Yeah. You want a bubble bath when you take one?
What?
You want to take a bubble bath?
Yeah, I want to take a bubble bath.
Okay.
Hooray! It's so much fun. He made this. Papa did?
Yeah.
Hooray!
What you want to tell Papa?
What's that thing in the bell?
Who's that dinging a bell? I don't know.
It's a train.
Was it a train?
No. Bang, 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 bang. Bang. Is bang a bad word?
Bang? No, that's not a bad word.
Oh, there's racing.
Are they?
Yeah.
Let's see. Reckon what they saw. Whatever it was, they didn't want it to get around their boy.
But I like them.
Yeah, you like them.
We like them.
Yeah, they're your friends.
Both like them.
Yes, we do. They're your friends, aren't they?
I'm not even to check on them.
Yeah?
But you're not.
You're the only one that's going to check on them?
You're not. You only check on Bobo. And I check on the puppies.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
I got it.
Okay.
Okay. I love you. Reckon how long you could seesaw? All day?
Wee. He's spooky out here.
It's spooky?
It's spooky underwater.
Ooh.
If we go in there, it would be spooky.
Ooh.
I'll catch a little fish. You catch a girl fish. I catch a boy fish.
If we went fishing?